What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon or morning or evening, depending on where you're from. And welcome to this coverage of Chainlink, or Link, that's the name of the token. Obviously one of the biggest cryptos in the crypto world, one of the most used projects by other crypto decentralized applications, smart contracts and projects. Wanted to cover it today because it was scheduled. I now have a schedule of certain cryptos I cover. So I cover Chainlink every Thursday. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Basically, in that coverage, we take a look at some of the news around Chainlink and in general about the crypto markets, but also the price. So this video will not so much talk about the news of Chainlink. There are a lot of great developments coming up for Chainlink, but not too soon. So we'll talk about that next week, I think. But for now, I wanted to talk about why we got this big drop. We're down about 8%. Volume spiked up in the last in the last couple of last hour with 60 million, and that's all because of a inflation rate numbers coming out for the United States. You can see that right there. They were higher than expected, which is bearish for crypto. And that's also visible in the price. Link is down 8%. We already dropped down quite a bit last night. I didn't really see that because I saw Bitcoin and Ethereum and they were still stable, but doesn't matter. For now though, because we got those inflation rate numbers just like less than an hour ago, it's still very hard to analyze and quite insecure and quite volatile to analyze Link. So I'm going to have to make that disclaimer. I'm still going to try to do my best, but we have to talk in different scenarios. All right, so to me, the first scenario is can we actually stay on top of 6.6? Or not, and maybe we should actually extend that a little bit to something like this. That seems more likely. If we can actually, so it's all about 6.6, right? If we can actually, with this candle, which closes in 3 hours, so still plenty of time, if we can actually stay on top of 6.6, then I think we will stay on top of 6.6, right? So if we close above that, I think we'll stay and slowly get back up to $7 and probably kind of consolidate here between 7 and 6.6, and then we will probably follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up to 20,000, Link will go up to 7.3 and higher. And if Bitcoin actually drops down further to like 17,000 and under 18,000, then we're still going to get that drop down to 6.25. Which is the other scenario. If we don't manage to close above 6.6 with this candle, then we're probably going to drop down to this 6.3, 6.2 area again. And yes, we have already hit that, as you can see, but then we're just going to drop there again and consolidate a little bit between 6.6 and 6.2 probably. And again, it largely depends on the market. I think 6.2 is strong enough to hold, and that we can even see like towards the end of the week, or let's say like in 5-6 days, that we can even see another bullish breakout out of 6.6 that will kind of get towards $7 again. But we'll definitely talk about that next week because it will have happened by then if it happens. So then we will see if I was right or wrong. But yeah, I do think 6.2 will hold. That might be a little bit of an optimistic thing to say because of the bearish fundamentals we have throughout the whole crypto market. But it's a strong level. We got higher than expected inflation rate, but it's also not way higher, and it's lower than the previous one. So that's kind of what I expect, or at least two different scenarios based on where we close in the upcoming 3 hours for Chainlink. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think is going to happen too. But for now, that's my coverage on Chainlink. I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.